Okay, let's talk about how your computer chats with websites. It's actually pretty simple. Think of HTTP and HTTPS as just two different ways of sending a message online. First up, HTTP. With this, your data is sent in a totally open box. And here's the kind of scary part. Anyone on the network can just peek right inside. Yep, it's exactly like a postcard. Anyone who handles it can read your private message. But HTTPS? That's totally different. It puts your data inside a locked box. So think of it this way, a public postcard versus a private, sealed envelope. Okay, so how can you tell if you're using that safe, locked connection? It's easy. Just look for a tiny padlock right up in your browser's address bar. See that little lock? That's your signal that the connection is secure. You're using HTTPS. So when is this super important to check? Always check for that lock before you type in any passwords or payment info, seriously. Because without that lock, your most sensitive information is totally out in the open. All right, let's recap. Remember, HTTP means you're sending an open message. And HTTPS means you're sending a locked message. So much safer. So next time you're online, ask yourself, is my message open or is it locked?
If you learned something new in this video, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next bite.